Good morning, guys. Welcome to the English AMA today. Watch, Diddy, you need to look at that camera. Oh my god, too difficult. I need to put it further away, and it doesn't. Then you don't see that I'm not looking at the camera. We are live. Let me know if the sound is okay. If the sound is okay, I can continue. Indeed, yeah, indeed. I think it will be a very busy and cool AMA today. I think you will have a lot of questions. So let's see what kind of questions we have and what we can talk about today. I have a feeling that it will be about something I I prefer not to talk about today, but yeah, let's see. Let's see. Hi guys, good morning Petros, good morning Cas, Trevor, good morning. We have 15 viewers, perfect. Okay, that's nice to hear. The sound is okay. I mean, let's get some more viewers in. Yesterday's trip, thanks for asking, Cas, was amazing. We went to the Maya temples. It's a beautiful trip. We took a guide because sometimes you need to take a guide so you can educate your kids on stuff that you're not able to educate them yourself on, and the guide really did it in a funny way. So the kids really learned a lot of the whole tour through this Maya temple or ruins complex. Really beautiful. I didn't know much about the culture yet, and I learned a lot. I learned a lot about this culture. Yeah, it's really nice. It's so cool to see how they built everything, like with the sun and all the holes and everything. Yeah, bam. And that is the first question. I already expected. I think this will not be a Bitcoin family episode, but I think episode because everybody wants to know what is happening, guys. I made a video on Twitter yesterday because I really believe that Pate is going to recover. They are not scammers, guys. They are a huge team that I've known for years, and they are going to survive this. They were hacked. It's $3 million that was stolen. That keeps like millions of dollars left. They took control on time, so they liquidated the pool. Not everything was stolen. They took away the funds themselves. So now they are starting a new token. This new token will probably be launched today or tomorrow. Everybody that had a token before the hack will receive the tokens back, and yes, the liquidity that was in the pool will be put back in the pool. Because always realize that the liquidity that a company has, it doesn't mean that all of the liquidity was being traded on Uniswap. There was more liquidity, and they didn't take all the liquidity from Uniswap. They only took 2,000 Ethereum, about $3 million. And like you could see on, I think Uniswap, at that moment the liquidity was still $6 million. So no, I have no doubt that Paid is not coming back. Yes, English today, Electro. Thanks for being here. So, for all the people that worry about their liquidity and about their tokens, about their paid things, don't. This team is not in the game to do a rug pull or to do an exit scam. I've been in contact with them 24/7, all night long. They are handling the situation fine. Maybe not like everybody wants it, but they are handling the situation and they will come out with a solution. They just posted their postmortem. They just announced they're going to launch a new token, the version 2 token. Just see it like a hard fork. Just see like all the other cryptos you hodl that did hard forks and soft forks. You still hodl them. You still hodl Bitcoin Cash. You still hodl Bitcoin. You still hodl Ethereum. You still hodl all of the coins that had a hard fork or a soft fork. And paid network will survive. It was 3 million. Yes, it will hurt the company, but they have enough funds to survive. This will, before you know it, I think this will be growing out to one of the biggest projects again. Yes, a hack, and yes, they had some mistakes, and yes, they learned from the mistakes, and yes, from learning the mistakes, you become stronger. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and the whole team has the same mindset. All the advisors are on board, all the advisors are helping them, and yes, they will be auditing, and they will be using a new multi-sig feature, and they will do all those upgrades for the next generation of paid network tokens. They are not going anywhere. I didn't find any Mayan gold. We did find these beautiful stones, and these stones which you could look with your into the sun, and a beautiful black stone. I forgot the name of the stone. This guy told us about it, but we will go to the Maya village one of these weeks. It's in the south, and there is a Mayan village, and you can buy the stones there directly from the Maya village. So yes, that's what we will do. Also, in the next couple of weeks, we will do a lot of stuff. Um, RJ Lee, I think 0.28 Bitcoin will make you a millionaire in the future. That's a good hodl. Uh, there were calculations that even zero point 0.1 Bitcoin could even make you a millionaire in the future. Uh, but now I'm talking about the far future. So I'm not talking about like next week or next year. Then we are talking about 10 to 20 years. In my opinion, Bitcoin will still go to 100k. We will even see a wick above 100k. So 20, no, 0.28 will be then 30k almost. So that's a lot of money. I don't know how much you invested in, but it's still a lot of money. I haven't looked into Bitcoin Cash at the moment, so I don't know if they will reach an all-time high. It's the same story. It's a currency with a story, and it's a currency with haters and lovers. And I do think technical Bitcoin Cash is a very good currency, and I do think the transactions and the fees are really good. That's exactly what he wanted to create, a peer-to-peer cash. So I don't think Roger Ver is a stupid person. I think he's very smart, and I believe that he will be working very hard to make it a real peer-to-peer cash. And I think that is exactly what we need, a peer-to-peer cash. So yes, I don't doubt that it will be going higher. Hi everybody, hi all the newcomers. 95%, yes, yeah. So for me as well, 100%. The Thai Sabat story, try to ask me that one again. I didn't see it. The NFTs, they are going crazy, man. It's like, Jesus, man, millions of dollars are being paid for these NFTs. It's going to be a huge industry. This place where we're staying now in Mexico is really beautiful. I'm sitting on my balcony now. I can share the view, but then again, you will always be saying, "Oh, stop it! You you just wanna." Okay, yeah, I will show you very fast. Here's the view. That is the back. Turn back. If you want to send money to Thailand, you can just fund her account. Just fund her which Bitcoin, which trading account that she has in Thailand. You can just send Bitcoins to her wallet, and then she can withdraw the wallet to her bank account. So that's really easy. Yes, I have invested in NFTs. I also own a few NFTs. I also was given a few NFTs, and there are also some NFTs made about us. Will also be launching very soon by Vesa, the artist. Hi, Rafael. Very good questions. It was pointed. And again, the paid team just posted on Twitter their mortem. They admitted they made some mistakes. Maybe they should have listened to the advice in January. They didn't. I think it has to do with the fact that paid network grew tremendously. It was like really growing fast. Like the team was exploding. The projects were exploding. More and more projects were being built. So in my opinion, that is the case why they didn't. I think they understood the warning, but if those things they were still like hesitating with implementing the measurement, the technical stuff for this warning, and they just didn't have the time, and they should have, but they didn't. They made a mistake. They admit they made a mistake. They also admit that there was a huge mistake and that the private key of the wallet was leaked. Uh, they can't say yet how it happened. They will say how it happened. They are completely honest and transparent team, guys. But give them some time. They will come out, I think, tonight or tomorrow with a new token, the paid version 2, paid network token version 2. You will all be receiving your pays back. And then it's up to you and to me and to the community what will happen to Paid. And I believe that Paid is a very stable project. They had some mistakes. They should have listened to the advice, maybe. They didn't. We can't turn back the time. We can only improve the future. And that is what they are going to do. They are going to relaunch the token. You will not lose your money. You will be able to sell your tokens if you want, and that is the only thing that can happen, guys. If the community doesn't step and start to support Paid Network, and that is exactly what they need, then we can fall in price. Because yes, the tokens will be relisted, yes, the liquidity will be re-added, so yes, the price will be accordingly. And then when everybody starts to dump the token, yeah, then the price could go down. So why would you dump the token of a project that you always believed in, that just made two mistakes, and they now are solving those mistakes? They still have the same team, they still have the same mindset, and they still have the same goals, and they still work together with all those projects that are being launched on the ignition and everything. They are going to be huge. But if the people want to dump their token, they can, and they can get their money. But be aware, if you dump your token, you probably will need to buy back later in a more expensive way, because this team is not going anywhere. They're going to be um, doing what they always intended to do. And now, of course, yes, we took care of the mistakes. Any other questions? Yes, I really love Ada. I have a lot of Cardanos. I think he has a huge future, because I think that Ethereum, was the first, but I think there are more and more stable projects that have lesser fees, that have more transaction possibilities, and then also have the possibilities to start DeFi and all that stuff. So yes, I think Cardano will be huge. That's why I've already advised you guys to buy a Cardano like 6 months ago. No, I don't have one NFTs for sale yet, but we are developing some NFTs, and the sales then also will flow into the fund that we will use to help poor people all over the world. The start of the build of this village will probably be already this year. We are talking about it with the team many times. We did some tweets, and because of the tweets, we got huge amount of interest and direct messages. So yes, we will be coming out soon with the plan. Okay, COVID, with the plan on how we will proceed with the Portugal village and how you can benefit and help. We are still talking about the Didi Happy Mexico deal. Um, some things came in between, and there was more my side than the team side. The team is working very hard. I promise, guys, I will still come with something really nice for you all. We are still accepting donations for the school, but to be very clear, we already received more than 10,000 US dollar. The goal was 3,000 US dollar. Now we already, as a family, the five of us, we donated the 5,000 US dollar, um, the 3,000 US dollar. Sorry. Then the Bitcoin family, the huge family, they was taking some from our fees as well to support the charity. And then still there was a huge milestone, I think it was, that when they gave 20 Litecoin, guys, that was $4,000. And now yesterday we received from Blockchain Valley Virtual, the project I'm supporting as well. Blockchain Valley, they donated around, I think, also 4,000 US dollar and Bitcoin. So yes, there is a lot of support for the school project. So it will become a community building with a school, with a football field, with a basketball field, where also the parents can have yoga and all that stuff. So it will be a really nice project that we will start to build over here. And I'm very thankful for all the help that you've been giving up. Litecoin, of course, is going up. It's going to go up way higher, I think, in my opinion. Bitcoin already broke the previous all-time high. Ethereum broke the previous all-time high. Litecoin is still far behind if it comes to the previous all-time high. So I think Litecoin still needs to have a run. Do we have any other questions, guys? The BFET will be going online again in the moment that we fully trusted, because we had too many people complaining about that they weren't making the profits that the BFET should be making. And we were giving this one away for free, and then everybody starts to complain, and that doesn't feel right. When we make stuff for you and we give it away for free, um, a huge part was also making profit. And now we need to shut down the BFET because a few of the team, a few of the family members, yeah, they had too many issues. So, and we want everybody to be happy, and we will relaunch when the BFET, when we feel secure again to relaunch it, and we are secure that nobody is going to complain more and more and more. We are also working on different types of indicators, guys, for the future. We are working together with Machina Trader. We have a very important meeting this Tuesday. Yeah, this Tuesday. This Tuesday we will be having a meeting with Machina Trader, and after Tuesday I can announce also how we are going to collaborate with the Bam Bam indicator, TikTok indicator, the BFED, and all other indicators we have in the pipeline with Machina Trader. Yes, I agree. I agree. It's just a few things that we need to change in the BFED, and I think we'll be up and running before you know it. No, I didn't hear anything about the Pi network. So tell me more. No, it's new for me. I heard about it, the name, and many people told me about it, but I didn't investigate yet what it is exactly. Do we have any other questions, guys? 120, 2020 with 22 viewers, 34 thumbs up. Yes, like always, it is Sunday. If we get 50 thumbs up, I will again give away a really cool t-shirt to one of the comments. I don't know what's happening, but give me 1 second. I don't know. I was just looking at the charts, guys. So Bitcoin did break the 50K level. Like you can see. Oh, 1 second. I was just looking at the charts. I don't know if you can see it over here. I think you can. So yeah, this is a very important level to break over here. You can see that we have this huge resistance. Um, 1 second. Really, what are you doing? Look, this one here, you can see we need to break it over there, we need to break it over there, we try to break it over there, try to break it over here. So I think we will go up to here to the level again, 52,000, and then try to break that one. If we break that one, yeah, then I see us going at least to 60K again here around this area. So we need to break this level. That's a very important level. That's what I was looking at the charts too. Um, so in my opinion, we will. Zooming out, I think we will go easily up to 70K and later 100K because that's the goal in Bitcoin. The BFET, yeah, we are working on long and short bots, guys. So that means that yes, we will also come with a few short bots, but in my opinion, in the bullish market, it's super too short. In the bullish market, we will be longing and using long bots, and in the bearish market, we will using short bots. Um, that's how it works. It's not so smart to do a short bot in the bullish market. You get too often liquidated, and I want to play it safe. I don't want to have you guys lose money or bitcoins or any other currency. Do we have any other questions, guys? Thanks, by the way, for the donations. I saw just coming in $1.68. Thank you so much. Euro, so it's $2. Thanks for the donation. Do we have other questions? Please ask them. Portugal or Mexico? Ooh, yeah, that's difficult. I think Portugal is the best place in Europe. I really like Mexico. I think Portugal is a little bit cheaper. It's a little bit easier to live there. I think Mexico has the better climate and the more beautiful sea, and it's warmer. Um, we don't know yet when we will go back to Portugal, but I think we the ticket at the moment is booked on the 5th of April. Yeah, I think the 5th of April the ticket is booked at the moment, but it's a flexible ticket. So if in Portugal everything is still closed, the stores, the restaurants, and everything, we won't be coming back till that moment that they are opening everything. We again don't believe in the whole flu situation. We believe everything should be open and that we should be free to live everywhere we want as a family and to do what we want. So that's why You will go back to Portugal at the moment that everything is open again. Till that time, you will um, stay here in Mexico, or maybe go to another. Should I sell my house too? Yes, you should. But I'm not a financial advisor. I would sell the house if you have this overvalue in your house. I would take that overvalue. I would use a part of that to just travel the world and have a secure future, and I would use a part to invest in Bitcoin to multiply. Paid, tell me, guys. I talked already a lot about paid. If you have more questions about paid, just ask them. I'm not going to hide. I'm not going to be disappearing. I'm still backing up my idea about paid. So yes, if you have more questions about paid, then just do ask them. Okay, guys. One more time. Paid network. They got hacked. The hacker stole 3 million US dollar, 2,000 Ethereum. They still have a lot of millions of dollars left and a lot of Ethereums left. There will be a new token release launched today or tomorrow. It will be the paid network token version 2. Nothing helped, nothing happened to the company. Only the funds got hacked. They took out all the funds out of liquidity so that the hackers couldn't take more. Now they are going to relaunch with a new paid network token. They are going to put in the funds again. They are going to redistribute all your tokens to you because they made snapshots of your addresses. So you will be receiving everything back. The token will be restored. The value will probably be restored. Then it is all up to you to hold the token and to keep trusting and building up the paid network. If you don't and you want to sell your tokens, you will be able to sell your tokens and take your money, and that will probably crash then the price a little bit because then everybody wants to start to sell. I wouldn't sell because I still believe the paid network team is working very hard to create a really awesome project, and they are already building this. So yes, don't sell your paid, in my opinion. But that's my opinion, guys. I'm their advisor. I know their team. I know that they are no scammers. They're working 24/7 already for 2 3 days now to get everything back under control. Any other questions? ADA is not overhyped. I think ADA is definitely not overhyped. VeChain could be a good investment, but for me, I already took the biggest profit in VeChain in 2017. So I am not invested in VeChain at the moment. I think there are other projects that new projects from this year that will be there. No, there is no COVID in Mexico, but there is in Holland. Yeah, the Mexican the Mexican COVID that one flew to Holland. I sent it away from here. I told him I want to be relaxed. It's really strange if you see this here. All the bars, all the temples. Yesterday we went to this Maya ruins complex. There was a line. So many people are there. Full onboarding tourists every day. Everybody's flying in because everything is free. Restaurants are open. Activities, you can do whatever you want. All things are free and open in Mexico. I'm checking what's happening to my screen because it's a really dark screen. I hope the image is still okay for you guys, but for me it's a little bit darkish. But will be my settings in the phone probably. Do we have any other questions, guys? At the moment, my biggest investment is, to be honest, in Polkadot, Chainlink, eGold, of course, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Paid Network, and Plasma.finance. That's what I'm invested in at the moment. That's Plasma.finance, one of the newest projects that I believe that is going to, I believe that is going to be huge in the future. So yes, for me, I think Plasma.finance is a gem that you could look into. And there are more beautiful projects, but I share most of the projects that I investigate and that I like on my Twitter feed. So make sure you sign up to the Twitter feed as well. Guys, Cardano again. I like it. I already said it in the beginning of the video. I have a lot of Cardano, and I think I will add some more Cardano as soon. I think as they will be going up more from this level. I think it will be taking a lot of traction from the Ethereum blockchain because of the lesser fees. So yes, I love Cardano. No, I don't think we will see a huge pullback in the quarter four of 2021. Normally, we should be growing to the top in that last quarter, like we did in 2013 December and 2017 December. Both of those years in December we went to the top. So I think we will see this pullback earlier. But I do think we are copying 2013. I don't know if I can share this chart with you guys. If you give me 1 second. Okay, this one. Because like you can see in 2013, let's see, do this one here. Give me 1 more second, guys, sorry. Would do 2017, then we would be at 100K next month. And if we do 2013, it will take a little bit longer. So I will show you the chart and tell you what I think it could happen. Give me 1 second. This is the chart, guys. I've been watching this chart for some time. This is 2013. In 2013, this is the midline of the logarithmic growth curve. This is the huge curve that Bitcoin has been moving in, like from the start till now. This is 2013, the midline. We were fighting it for a couple of weeks. There's a weekly chart. Every candle is a week. And then we fell down, bam, here, back to this yellow line. Also, we stayed there. There's a 21 MA. We stayed there for a couple of weeks. Then again, we went again up. So this was huge, a huge peak. And then we came down, and then we got a second peak, the second run. If you now look to 2017, you see the same thing happening. You went fighting this midline, this logarithmic midline curve. We came back here to this yellow line, this, and then we went on this huge peak. So this was not as big as this, but still, you know, we were fighting this midline for a couple of weeks before we pulled back and then went up. Now, if you look to today, you can see the same. We were fighting this. We didn't pull back yet to the yellow line. So it could be possible that we went up to here now. Just like in 2013, you know, to this line. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4th line from above. 1, 2, 3, 4th line from above. So we could be going there, have a pullback to this yellow line that will be then around 33,000 US dollar, I think, somewhere here. That correction goes sideways for some time, and then somewhere in here December, bam, go to the top. So what you would see then, let's see, like this, is something like this, but then a little bit smaller. So you not to the bottom, but then we would be pulling back here like this. So you would be going up to here, coming down, going sideways. Should be doing like this, something like this. So we're going sideways, and then bam, go up again. And what could happen as well, I hope you did see it a little bit on the screen. I don't know if you if there was too much sun. I didn't see the screen because I turned around the telephone. Give me a thumbs up if you did see what I tried to show you, because else I've been talking for nothing again, a couple of minutes. 10 paid. What do you mean? Do you think having 10 paid is good? I will post the chart on Twitter so you can have a better look as well. I will publish the chart so you can all look at the chart. Okay. I use 4 hour chart to do the swing trading because I don't have too much time anymore to trade, not like daily on the 15-minute chart. So I trade on the 4 hour chart. That one is the most easy for me to use for swing trading. That's how I use the Bam Bam indicator and the TikTok indicator for the swing trading. The underside of the earth. I don't know where that is, but I would love to visit you there as well. BlockFi, I think it's good. It's all good DeFi project that you can use to stake. I don't understand what you mean with the question. If it is good enough to have 10 paid, uh, you can have another. You can have paid as much as you want. I don't understand your question. The trace 22. Ooh, can we trace 22,000 BTC? Yeah, there are tools to track them down, but I don't know if you can retrieve them back. Do we have any other questions, guys? Do I have ever anything to tell you? Maybe I should just tell you some stuff because normally I just talk, and now I sat down so I can listen to you guys and to the questions. Because normally I missed a shitload of your questions. What is first, Bitcoin 40k or 100k? Um, I think 41k. Sorry, 41 or 42k then. Yeah, that's the problem. We have so many institutional money coming in that the pullbacks are smaller, but still, we had 4 pullbacks. We had 20%, 23%, I think 70%, and then now a 29% pullback. So it's still a huge pullbacks. It's 30% pullback, and we are recovering from that 30% pullback now. So I think we will go another huge run, have another 30% pullback, another huge run, and maybe have the huge pullback of 70, 80%. And if we will ever even see this pullback, because guys, let's be very honest. It's if you look at the charts at the moment, I think it's like more than 70% of the bitcoins are hodled. There's only 30% of the bitcoins that are being sold and bought on exchanges. 70% is on long-term hodl. This means there is not enough bitcoins to sell anymore, and all these huge institutions still need to onboard. They still need to start accepting Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin, adding Bitcoins um, to their balances and everything, like MicroStrategy and Tesla is doing. So where the fuck are they going to buy the bitcoins? If 70% of the bitcoins are on hodl, 70% of the people believe so strong in Bitcoin, they won't sell before Bitcoin will reach 100k or a million. So where are these companies going to buy the bitcoins? I don't. That's why I don't see the huge dips, because I do think every time there will be a dip, you will be selling your weekends to a billionaire. Everybody who's selling bitcoins now is selling their bitcoins to one billionaire somewhere in the world. It's the billionaires that are buying all the bitcoins, all B's, billionaires, bitcoins. No, we are not in Playa del Carmen. We are now in Tulum. So Playa del Carmen is a 1 hour drive. We are in Tulum. What do not enough people mention? I don't know what you're. Sorry, I missed that one because I. Danke viel. Ich soll mal in Deutsch auch mal reden. Nächstes Mal. Ich versuche es. Ich versuche es. Miners are holding too. Everybody is holding because everybody knows Bitcoin is going to be huge in 2021. What's next after Mexico? We don't know yet. We don't have any plans yet. We really enjoy Mexico. Um, I really want to help not only financially to build the school but also physically. I'm going to the school today again to do some work and to help them and to have some meet up with the team and to see how we can use the funds for what and everything. So yes, I want to be personally involved a little bit till we leave Mexico as well. So maybe that will be something why I will be staying longer to show the kids. Also, you can help, not only give but also help. Ah, danke Bernhard. Dann mache ich es weiter in English. Yes, of course, Bitcoins and the ETFs by the Genai exchange. Everything is going to be built and bigger. So yeah, I think I think we will be surprised by what will happen to Bitcoin in the far future. Yeah, klopt, Barry, but the price is already rising. You can see this. The price is around 50k. Um, no, Paid was hacked. Again, guys, Paid was hacked. Paid was hacked. $3 million was stolen, and they took away all the other liquidity. They are going to open a new contract, smart contract. They're going to open the Paid Network Token version 2. All the liquidity will be put back. Snapshots were taken, and all the addresses that held paid before the hack, they will receive back their paid tokens just accordingly they had in their wallets. Don't stress out. They are going to handle this very calmly and very secure. Ein Deutscher Didi, ja natürlich. Muss mir Bam sagen in Deutsch, oder? How do I pay for the living cost? We live from our hodl, of course. Yes, of course. We need to sell some bitcoins now and then, or use bitcoins to pay for the hotels or food. But we also trade. I trade daily. People still don't believe probably that I trade daily, but yes, I trade daily on the 4 hour chart. So I can enter a trade today that I will be exited in a couple of days, but maybe tomorrow I will be exited another trade that already opened a few days ago because of the 4 hour trade. You trade in a bigger time frame. Then I also have a team, the Bam Bam indicator team, the TikTok indicator team, the BFAT indicator team, the margin call team. Those teams are also trading. So I've been trading with bots. I'm trading manually, and my team is trading for me. So I trade on multiple time frames, but the time frame I trade personally, like really trade here from my hotel room, is the 4 hour. I think 300k and 600k is easy reachable, guys. I think that $1 million is easy reachable. I don't know if you saw the interview with the CEO of Kraken. I love I really like the CEO of Kraken. I really like how calmly he talks, and he was also talking about, guys, in the next 10 years we will see a $1 million Bitcoin price because there is too many um, demand. There is such a huge amount of demand, we can't even sell that amount of tokens at the moment. So yes, $1 million will be easy reachable. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning. I thought somebody asked how late it is. Yes, there is dolphins in Mexico. We will be swimming with dolphins. He also told us there is a beach. I think it's called Akumal or something. It's like a 30-minute drive. We can swim with huge beach turtles there. So maybe we'll be even going there. Yes, of course, we will be going to more ruins. We are going to be to the cenotes. We are going to go to do a boat trip. We are going to do all the tourist stuff that you can do in Mexico and take you with us. Yesterday on our Instagram, I went live at the Maya Temple. And I still need to get used to Instagram a little bit, so let me know if you liked the live uh, on the Maya Temple. And do follow our Instagram, the Bitcoin family. There I will be going live on these beautiful places like Maya temples and everything. So I have some coverage on Instagram as well. The VIP Zoom calls, I will start to do them again. And we are figuring out the time frame because now I'm like 6 hours earlier than you guys. So I need to check how I can pick up the best time frame for you guys. So let me know in the comments if I would do this VIP Zoom call on Monday again, what time it would be best for you. Is it still like 8 o'clock in the evening? I want to do it then every week on the same day. If we could do it on the Monday and it would be 8 o'clock for you, it would be 2 o'clock for me. And it could be a nice weekly Zoom call about the BAM, um, TikTok, and for the VIP members. Probably will we reduce it then to 40 minutes maximum because the last couple of times it took 2 hours and that's just too much, guys. Ted Lemery, do you need to pay taxes? Everybody needs to pay taxes. If you have money or if you make profit or you have income, you pay taxes. It does depend on where you live or where you're registered. Portugal has a 0% tax rule on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Mexico also has a 0% tax rule on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So if you would be registering in Portugal or Mexico, you would not be paying tax in a legally way. I can show the beach. Yep, of course, I can here. This is my view, but you're looking into the sun. Maybe the view is better when I do it this way, then you don't have the sunlight. This is our beach. sun just came up. That's why it's so. It's really early still. So, but this is the beach. This is the hotel. There's a small pool there. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Mexico is a beautiful country. A VIP Zoom call in the weekend. Wow, that could also be possible. Then I don't have a weekend anymore because I already do the two lives. But let me think about it. No, if we would copy the 2017 bull run, guys, we would already reach the top around May. Because the moment we broke this 2017 bull run, the moment we broke it, the logarithmic growth curve, this midline in 2017, I can show you if you want. One more time, sorry. Uh, it took, um, I will zoom in a little bit that you can see it better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took in total 15 bars, so it took in total 15 weeks, guys, in 2017 from the moment we broke that level. Um, I need to recount. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18 weeks. I think it was 18 weeks. I'm going to show you on the screen if you want. From the moment we broke this one. 1 second, check. From this moment here that we broke this candle, from this moment till this top over here, it was like 10 bars. So if we would do, I will show you what then happens. Bars. From that moment to the top. This guy. So this would approximately be then what you would see if you copy 2017, which would mean that it would be around the first week of May. So I took these. So what I did is I took these from there. Oh. So I took these from there and then I paste them on here, and then you get the result that it should be around this date. So May, end of April, May. And that is what happened if you copy 2017. Be aware, we could not copy 2017 and 2020. We could do something completely different as well. And then maybe we would be reaching it just in October, you know? All possibilities. But for me, there's no question we won't be reaching it. We will be going up. That's the most important part. Is it Bacardi for breakfast? No, sadly not. My throat is a little bit hurt from all the alcohol, so I need to reduce the alcohol. Yes, wow, 84 likes. If we have 100 shirts. I still need to announce the winners of yesterday t-shirts. I know that from the Dutch AMA. I didn't forget you guys. Busy, busy, busy because of the whole paid network situation. I will announce the winners of the t-shirts ASAP. Yeah, Alexandra Steinbeck, really good remark. We maybe could not see any dip anymore. In my opinion, if we go up hugely to 100k or 150k or whatever, I think 40k will be the new bottom. So I think everybody that bought below 40k bought on the cheapest possible price for the next decades. We already 45 minutes, guys. Do we have any other questions? What week are we now? I don't know what week we are. I forgot. I don't even know what day. Oh, it's Sunday. Yeah, I'm on Bybit. Oh, it's going fast. I'm stuck in the trade with minus 25. You're at finance. Oh, yeah. I have never. I've only invested like completely in the beginning, when they went from 6k to 30k. But I only invested with like zero point 0.5 or something a year. YFI. I sold them when I couldn't believe what they were doing. So that one was for me crazy. So that's, I don't know if they will come back again because the market cap is, the amount of tokens is small. So yes, I think they will push it again. So I wouldn't cash out if I'm in loss. You only lose when you cash out. One on one. 101, yes. Do we have more questions? Cas, I saw your question about Instagram. I don't know how to do this. Maybe I can post the Instagram lives as well in Discord. In YouTube, you can do this. You can share the link of the YouTube live. I don't know if I can share the Instagram live. If I can share the link or something. Completely new to me. So that was the first time I went live yesterday on Instagram. So I don't know. Maybe I should do the lives also on YouTube. No, I want to try to build some more Instagram followers as well. Yeah, yesterday's t-shirts I will try to announce today. I think there were two t-shirts that will be um, given away yesterday. In the Dutch AMA you can also choose for the book. So you are receiving the book instead of a t-shirt, but that's all up to you guys. We have 104 thumbs up. This is two t-shirts already. If you reach 150, yes, also the same, then we will have three t-shirts. Do we have any more questions, guys? We are around 50 minutes. Let's try to keep it to an hour. I don't think it's pointless to buy Bitcoin over 50k. I think if you look back to 2017, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's really hot. It's really hot. It's like already 20 degrees. Um, it, CryptoTag is a really cool company. I received some CryptoTags. I am making a video about CryptoTag, how it works, and I will promote CryptoTag with that video. They don't pay me for this. They just sent me a really cool product that I really like, and that's why I just share what I like. Um, but CryptoTag, yeah, it is an awesome project, an awesome tool. I have them in my safe. If you give me a minute, I will take it. I will show it. 1 second. Oop. Yep. I will keep my camera like this because else you will see my wife in bed, naked. I have a better view. You think the view of the beach is beautiful. I love the view of my wife over there. Check it. This is CryptoTag, guys. This is really cool stuff. I'm going to make a video about this because I want you to understand what it is, and I want you to be always able to save and store your seed words in a safe way. And CryptoTag is the solution for this. It's a beautiful box. I can show it to you. Look, bam. It's a cool product. It's double. It's hard. Yeah, you cannot hear this. Here. Here. It's very hard. It's wood. It's the titanium, guys. And then when you release these clips, you can release them. Then you have these two really cool things, plates, titanium plates, and you can pinch your seed words through codes in this one. So this is really cool. And I will be soon having a very cool surprise for you. I need to make the video, and it's about this. So make sure you follow my Twitter, and because I'm going to do something really cool with this. And then you get this thing with it. This is the pen. It can resist fire. It can resist everything. It's titanium. That's why it's so cool. The coolest part I think about it is that they give you a box of matches to burn your paper, your paper where you wrote down the seed words. So these matches, they are coming in with it as well. and you can burn your paper with the words, and then you have your words forever safe in this kind of titanium plate. Really cool. Yeah, I like it. I like the product. I gave one of those to Crypto as well this week. He was really, yeah, he was really happy with it. And I'm going to do a video on it that we really use it and that you see how I use it. And then with that video, I have another beautiful surprise for you guys. The internet. Why? Did the internet again fall away? Fuck it. Yeah. Something really cool, maybe that most of you didn't know, is that this is the company, guys. CryptoTag. CryptoTag.io. The Bitcoin starter box. I like the Bitcoin starter box. I have the Bitcoin starter box as well. It's a really nice product. It's really cool to educate yourself, but also your kids on Bitcoin. If it is the starter box that you're talking about, 25 euros, and you receive $5 worth of Bitcoin, and then you get a box full with play cards with a lot of information about Bitcoin and about the questions kids, but also adults could have on Bitcoin. Yeah, I like the Bitcoin starter box. It's a Belgium company that created it, I think. So yeah, it's a really cool product. We use it to educate the kids, and that's why I like it. You're welcome, Alexis. Hodl Ben, yes. Do we have any more questions, guys? 8 more minutes. Super. Yeah, it's really cool. But sign up to my Twitter and my Instagram. Um, you don't want to miss this. It's really cool. Your military dog tags also a good option. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The fact that most people don't know is that the seed words, like when you create a wallet, um, there is like a universal standard, and that standard makes it that all these words have a code. And I don't know if many people know this, but you can see this online. I think on GitHub as well. All words have a number when it comes to Bitcoin wallet seed words. So you also receive this book with the words, with the code on it, the number, because this is like this industry standard for crypto wallets like Ledger. Do we have more questions, guys? Yes, maybe we can do a quick fire round, like where I need to answer with one answer. Landing in the bear market, I'm still looking into all the lending and staking platforms for the bear market. At the moment, I'm looking at Celsius, I'm looking at Meyer, I am looking at Swissborg, I'm looking at Crypto.com, I am looking at. I think that's the main five that I'm looking at. Yeah. So one of those I'm going to use. Akumal should be really beautiful. People tell me every time again. So yes, we will also be going to Akumal, maybe even to Cozumel, maybe even to the second biggest reef, coral reef that is here. BlockFi, looking into them as well. Yeah. The pandemic doesn't. I don't know if the pandemic will ever stop. To be honest, I think it's their trick to get you all vaccinated and to give you all these vaccination passports. And I don't think in this summer people will be able to travel without these vaccination passports if we don't stand up. And I do think most people don't want to stand up. I do think people are now agreeing with this vaccination and all that stuff. Yeah, I don't, but who am I? Yeah, we should take power back to the people. We should take power back to the people massively, but we also have a lot of sheeple. Don't forget that. And those sheeple, they will only say meh, 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 and they will only say and follow their shepherd, nothing else. Where can you store the crypto tag from seeds? Because it's titanium, you could even store it somewhere there. very far down below in the sea. You dive to a very deep spot, or maybe a synode, and you just, you just hide it over there. Nobody will ever find it, and if they will find it, they will still probably not be able to connect it to your crypto wallet. SafePal hardware wallet. I didn't check that one yet, so I will check it. Thanks for the comment. Thanks for the contribution. I am going to look into the SafePal. I have received this other wallet that I'm going to check first. I did show this already last week. I have the feeling now I have the feeling now I'm doing the same shit I'm doing last week. So sorry for that. But for all the new ones that didn't see it last week, okay, I don't have it here. I don't have it here. I have it somewhere else. But for all the new ones that I received this really cool hardware wallet that I'm going to test first now. And after testing that one, I'm going to test the next hardware wallet. I test all these wallets because I like it. Ze zeggen hallo tegen je. Oh shit, was she on screen naked again? Oh my god, I make these mistakes. Didi. SafePal was invested in Binance, and then okay, cool, really cool. Thank you for educating me. I'm going to look at it. Yeah, I think the vaccinations are poison. Yeah, I don't. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, it is all up to you guys. If the weekends are selling their bitcoins now to all the billion-dollar companies, to all the billionaires, we won't see any pullbacks because they are not going to sell before we reach a million. So if a lot of normal people hodl Bitcoin at the moment, that is the amount of people that can crash the market with 60% because they will be freaking out and taking profits. These billion-dollar companies, they are not going to take profit at 100k. They are in this for the long term. So the more you sell now to the billion-dollar companies and the billionaires, the more bitcoins will be hodled, and long term, the less volatile it will become. That's my opinion. So in my opinion, it is very important that you not sell your bitcoins now. It's hodl. You just believe in Bitcoin, hodl your bitcoins for 1 more year or 2 more years, and you will be laughing your ass off. I wish you all guys a very beautiful Sunday as well. It's another 2 minutes, so maybe. Yes, I know StormX. I'm using StormX. I still need to make a video about StormX because I love you guys to earn bitcoins and cryptos while you spend euros. That's how we convert euros into crypto. StormX is a beautiful platform. You can use it to shop online, and when you shop online, you get crypto cashback. So yes, for spending euros, you get crypto cashback, which is an awesome way to earn bitcoins. You don't earn millions with StormX, but if you spend yearly 50k with credit cards or debit cards or whatever way you do online shopping, you get a shitload of cashback back. I think there are even products where you get 16% cashback in crypto. So every 10k you earn 100. Every 1k, sorry, you earn $160 back in crypto. So that's a lot of crypto you'll be receiving by doing what you always do, shopping. I'm looking in that as well, Christoph. There is a woman called Pamela something, not Anderson, that's from the 90s. But it's Pamela, she created a project and she did a really cool podcast with Andreas Antonopoulos on how to make sure that all your bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies go to the next people that are inheriting it when you die or when when your airplane crashes. Yeah. I will drop a link in Discord about that interview with Andreas Antonopoulos. I met this Pamela woman once. Was a really nice woman. She tried to educate me in Switzerland about this project. I didn't look into it yet, but I should be looking into it as well. We live every day, so I enjoy it now and then too much, and maybe then I don't think about the future enough. So we never look that far away in the future. Yeah, who isn't your leader here? I think you can do that yourself. I think you can set up a Signal multi-sig wallet, and then you do that with a person and another person, and then they will be able to withdraw the funds the moment you die. Do we have any other questions? Okay, it's 1 hour, guys. I think that was everything for today. I'm very thankful for all the donations. Thank you for all your time, for listening to the story. Thank you for being very adult when it comes to handling the paid network situation. That's what I love about our Bitcoin family, about you guys, about all of you. You all stay calm at the moment. You don't throw shit at each other. Uh, this is a really good company, again, and they are going to try to be as smart as soon as possible back with their token and the liquidity, and you will see they were not scamming, they were hacked. This can happen to all companies, to everybody. Some of them, they will never survive a hack. Paid network will survive because they only lost $3 million, which might sound like a shitload of money to you guys, but again, this is a project that's going to be huge in the future. So I don't think 3 million is that big of an issue for such kind of project. That was everything, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. We have 120 thumbs up. If we get 30 more thumbs up in the next in the next half hour, let's say like this, then I will give away 3 t-shirts. I'm going to upload the video now, so for all the people that didn't see it, you can always look it back on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family if you like the education. Do sign up to our Discord. Do sign up to our Telegram. Do sign up to our Twitter and Instagram, because I will be doing a really cool giveaway very soon. You don't want to miss that giveaway. Thanks for watching. I'm going to zoom out as well. I know I'm going to lay in my bed with my wife again. Maybe she's in for some in the morning. You never know. Maybe I'm lucky. Am I lucky? She's smiling, but she's not saying anything. So maybe I get lucky, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow again. Yes, I will tomorrow again do the normal way of video with a little bit of editing and some charts, blockchain and Bitcoin live. Maybe from another beautiful place. Maybe just here from the beautiful beach. Maybe with a lot of bikinis or good muscled guys on the background, so everybody and all the viewers are happy with that as well. Thanks, guys. Zooming out, and see you tomorrow again. Have a beautiful Sunday. Your Sunday is probably already gone. Then have a beautiful night. Some wine, Bacardi, beer, some snacks. Enjoy your evening, and I'm going to enjoy my day. And see you tomorrow again. Bye bye. See you. Ciao.